Hey, what's going on, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up to find the underdog has taken the crown. Welcome to the world where the unexpected becomes reality, where Dogecoin might just eclipse Bitcoin in the coming months. Yes, you heard that right. There is a storm brewing in the crypto markets, a storm of opportunity and change. You might be missing out on the next big wave, but here is the solution. From the groundbreaking moves by Fetch.ai with their $10 million accelerator for AI agent startups, to the surprising shifts in Bitcoin ownership with US entities holding a staggering 65% more than offshore players. The landscape is changing rapidly, and time is not on your side. These developments are unfolding as we speak, and Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin is about to hit more exchanges, and the window for capitalizing on these shifts could close any moment. Are you ready to ride this wave, or will you watch from the sideline? And if you stick with us to the end of the video, you'll get an exclusive sneak peek at our new crypto community platform, Altcoin Pro. It's our golden ticket to stay ahead of the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. So if you're like most people and you don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day in the crypto markets like we do, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. We bring you a condensed form of the news every single day. So if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. So we're going to definitely be jumping into Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin to list imminently on more exchanges. US entities hold 65% more Bitcoin than offshore players. Fetch.ai launches a 10 million accelerator program for AI startups. But we're going to start right here. Surprising forecast, Dogecoin may beat Bitcoin in the next 6 months. Dogecoin is gaining much attention as experts speculated it will surpass industry titans like Bitcoin and XRP. During bull markets, Dogecoin has shown remarkable performance, and because Elon Musk's influence on the market, this token may see a drastic change in its course in the coming months. Musk's involvement in the meme coin has caused previous price jumps for Dogecoin. Musk's upcoming ventures, including those upcoming Trump administration, may trust Doge past other major altcoins. In light of surging interest into Musk's endeavors, many of the digital currency scene are seeing a similar frenzy as his past sponsorships set waves. One interesting fact is that Elon has been supposedly heading the Department of Government Efficiency during the Trump administration. Whether such an association could be purely coincidence, cryptophiles say it's just an opportunity in which the life of the coin is to be sparked. The explosive nature of Dogecoin can't be denied. If we were to base its price action on historical trends, Doge increased by more than 15,000% between 2020 and 2021. If history repeats itself, this token might reach the height of $23. Dogecoin is coming in at about 33 cents right now. It has begun going down a little bit in the retrace by 2.4% in the last 24 hours, but some strong fundamentals and community support should be enough to give the meme coin some vigor in the months ahead. Based on data from Coin Codex and Into the Block, there is more action on blockchain, which suggests that investors are once again getting interested in Doge. Both Bitcoin and XRP have strengthened their positions in the market. Bitcoin is leading the way in institutional adoption, while XRP focuses on cross-border payments option. Dogecoin, on the other hand, gets a lot from both its active community and Musk support. Dogecoin may succeed, but the crypto market industry is volatile. Even major past achievements does not guarantee future success, so investors should diversify, educate themselves, and weigh the risks. Also, Fetch.ai launches 10 million accelerator for AI agent startups. And if you haven't been hearing about AI agents, it is all the rage. It's literally what everyone is talking about in tech right now. NVIDIA just launched their new system based all around creating AI agents. Fetch, a crypto artificial intelligence company built on Cosmos, has announced a 10 million accelerator to support startups developing solutions focused on AI agents, quantum computing, and high-performance tech. The accelerator, operating through Fetch.ai's innovative lab, aims to connect research with real-world applications. The lab, with hubs in San Francisco, London, and India, will provide funding, mentorship, and access to Fetch.ai's agent-based technologies to help startups scale globally, according to the press release. The new startup will feature boot camps, workshops, and specialist lectures in collaboration with international organizations such as Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, Web.lab, and Innovative Focus Exploring Advanced Technology. Startups accepted into the program will receive tailored support through Fetch.ai's proprietary AI agent technology, which provides actionable inferences from AI models. They said traditionally APIs have been the primary mechanism for for integrating technologies. However, agents will increasingly replace APIs, becoming the new interface for both software interaction and task execution. Ocean Protocol had a tweet over on X.com. What's the hottest narrative in crypto right now? They have DePIN, AI agents, real-world assets, or DeFi, and AI agents blew it out of the water. The Accelerator structure includes year-round programs and innovation competitions to ensure startups have access to mentorship and resources, with participating firms gaining an opportunity to pitch to investors and industry leaders at events. The lab will prepare the next generation of innovators, Wajid said. It will expand globally by partnering with international innovation hubs and research organizations to access global markets and ideas. So if you're out there and you're into AI and you are able to do programming or you have a startup, you may want to be a part of this as well. Are AI agents just hype though? AI agent tech would play a key role in crypto and ASI Alliance, a collaborative effort between Fetch.ai and Ocean Protocol and SingularityNet to accelerate decentralized AI development and adoption. AI agents will serve as the intermediary layer, facilitating communication and execution between models, end users, and businesses. In the context of the ASI Alliance, this functionality is essential. However, some Solana project founders have cast doubt on the perspective, suggesting that AI agents are overrated and have swamped social media platform X since October 2024 with AI agent tokens. And if you've been on X, you have seen all these AI agent coins that are out there. They post nonstop all day long. And don't forget that AI agents can be a bubble if you look at just the narrative, where most are scams or will never deliver. So make sure you find the right coins when it comes to the AI tech. And if you want to find more details about the AI market and get deep dives, join our community at Altcoin Pro, www.bullrunners.com. Click the link down in the description below. Here's our last AI market update, which came 3 days ago for the first week of January. AI market overview, mindshare dominance. AI has captured an incredible 70% of the sector's mindshare, signaling the firm hold on investor attention. The total market cap for AI agents sits above $18 billion, showcasing significant growth and further upside potential. Our top analyst, Curious Jay, also dove deeper and found key projects to watch. One is HyperFi. RuneScape meets blockchain with AI-powered NPCs for immersive gameplay. Parallel Wayfinder, awaiting token launch, holding Prime and Nova for early exposure. Hey Anon, bridging the multiple chains, developed by Daniel Siesta, Phantom veteran, picking up the base version for potential long-term gains. Luna Virtuals, upcoming launch and upgrade, and recent artist collaboration could drive interest. And Sequoia, no staking required, but there's strong airdrop potential for holders via snapshots. Ecosystem launches are consistently high quality. Final thoughts and key reminders for the AI agent sector here. These updates are not for price targets or entries. Use them as leads for your own research. Keep a close eye on developments if prices feel high right now. Participate disciplined risk management to protect your portfolio from oversized positions or big losses. Altcoin Pro members, put your learnings into practice. Apply the theory to fast-moving real-world scenario. And as you can see, we have a really robust discussion going on down below it. So if you want to learn to maximize your opportunity in crypto while minimizing your downside, join over 1,100 members at Altcoin Pro. Click the link down in the description and get started today. U.S. entities hold 65% more Bitcoin than offshore players, says CryptoQuant. In the past 24 hours, 521 million has been liquidated from the crypto market. Bitcoin reserves held by U.S.-based entities significantly exceed those held offshore, according to data from CryptoQuant. U.S. entities' Bitcoin reserve reached an all-time high as of January 9th, with reserves of 65% greater than those of non-U.S. entities. The ratio of U.S. to offshore Bitcoin holdings climbed 1.24 in September of 2024 to peak of 1.66 in December, now stands at 1.65. CryptoQuant's CEO Kai-Young Ju explained that the metric compares the Bitcoin holdings of known U.S. entities, including companies like MicroStrategy, Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Funds, exchanges, miners, and the U.S. government, to those of known offshore entities. The surge in the U.S. held Bitcoin reserves coincides with Bitcoin's price increase. In September of 2024, when Bitcoin was trading at 60 grand, offshore entities held the majority of reserves. By January of 2025, Bitcoin had crossed the $100,000 mark, peaking at 108, and U.S. entities' reserves dominance hit a record high. The dominance has been driven by heightened institutional interest. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, revealed a fresh purchase of 1,070 Bitcoin on December 30th to the 31st at an average of $94,000. The $101 million purchase brought MicroStrategy's total holdings to 447,470 Bitcoin, worth $28 billion, accounting for 2.1% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist. Bitcoin's unrealized profit margins have shrunk amid this ongoing price correction. After soaring past $100,000, Bitcoin has retraced down to 93 and even lower. Analysts view this correction as healthy after the recent rally. Traders on-chain realized profit margins have declined significantly amid the ongoing correction. This is healthy after a rally, since it got above $100,000. Over the past 24 hours, $521 million has been liquidated from the markets, with $345 million coming from long positions, according to CoinGlass. The liquidations were triggered by Bitcoin's brief dip at 92.5 due to fears over the Federal Reserve tightening monetary policy for 2025. We also have a huge major announcement coming from the labor report happening tomorrow, which is Friday. And in more Ripple news coming out today, Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin to list imminently on more exchanges. Ripple President Monica Long added that XRP will likely receive its spot ETF approval very soon. Ripple President Monica Long expects its RLUSD stablecoin to be listed on major exchanges imminently. In a January 7th interview on Bloomberg, Long confirmed that Ripple is actively pursuing additional exchange listings for RLUSD. She said, "We are continuing to expand distribution and availability of Ripple dollars on other exchanges. So I think you can expect to see more availability, more announcements coming soon, imminent." RLUSD is currently available on Bitso, MoonPay, CoinMina, Bullish, Mercado Bitcoin, B2C2, Keyrock, Archax, Independent Reserve, and JST Digital, according to the Ripple website. Ripple launched RLUSD officially on December 17th as a stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the United States dollar. At the time of publication, the stablecoin boasted a market cap of $71.8 million, according to CoinGecko. Here you can see the chart for RLUSD market cap down at 71.8. More than 76% of trading volume is concentrated on Bullish crypto exchange, split across two primary trading pairs, RLUSD and USD Coin, and XRP RLUSD. Meanwhile, decentralized exchange Sologenic handles a smaller portion of the market, the XRP RLUSD pair on Sologenic, recording $3.4 million in 24-hour trading volume, representing 3.5% of the total. Demand for RLUSD is primarily driven by Ripple's payment business, which Long noted has doubled in the past year. She says, "Our business doubled within payments last year, and so we see really strong growth trajectory for our payment solution. And with that, Ripple US dollar will have a premium role." Long anticipates strong growth for stablecoins. "We think that this year is going to be a big year for crypto overall, and so demand for stablecoins will grow along with it. It's really the way to on-ramp and off-ramp people." The stablecoin market has grown by 55% in the last year to $206 billion, according to DeFi Llama. And what about that very, very important XRP ETF very soon? Long indicated that XRP could be the next in line for its own exchange-traded fund. She says, "I think we will see one very soon. XRP is likely to be the next in line after Bitcoin and Ethereum." Several companies have already taken steps to launch an XRP ETF, including WisdomTree, which filed for approval with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on December 2nd. Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 Shares have also filed. Long said with the U.S. administration change, the approvals of ETF filings will accelerate. As we take a look at XRP on the weekly charts here, we did run into that extreme resistance at $2.47. And again, we've been following this for a very long time. This comes to us from that run up back in 2017, the week just before the all-time high. This was for December 25th. The actual peak of that candle is where we are sitting right now as a extreme resistance. Once we break that and confirm that as a support, we will then have the opportunity to move our way back up into new all-time highs. Our short-term momentum has peaked out up here at the 100 level. You can see last time on the weekly charts, we peaked out at the 100. We then had a reset down to 0, but fortunately, price was trading sideways there. So I'll be watching very closely. If this is going to reset back to 0, we must maintain and hold the support level here at $1.95, which is also where our weekly 10 exponential moving average is coming into play as well. So as far as support and resistance right now for XRP, we have the $2.47 as a resistance. Well, let's find a smaller time frame short-term support. We'll flip to the 4-hour, turn to the Heikin-Ashi candles. The good news is we are still trading above the 200 exponential moving average on the 4-hour charts. During our last nice run to the upside where we rejected off of that $2.47, we did get a support and resistance level right here, which is going to be our key factor to the downside as the support at $2.10 to $2.05. If we want to find an even more extreme, smaller time frame candle, we can look here at our 1-hour time frame. And from that breakout that we're talking about already of this $2.10 level to the run up, it is still going to be that same area. We also have our 1-hour 1100 exponential moving average coming into play right here in that same zone. And if we take a look here, how important these 1100 exponential moving averages are, let's look at the 30-minute level. And you can see once we broke above it, we were riding nice, came down, tested it as a support multiple times. So we are still holding strong there. Short-term momentum is starting to kick back to the upside after a near reset at 0. So what we're looking here on the 30-minute time frame is for price to climb back above the 200 exponential moving average, turning bullish. That would be at about $2.35 here to have it claimed with some confidence. Last time we got up to this area, unfortunately, we did reject from there. And also interesting, on our Heikin-Ashi candles on the 30-minute time frame, you can see as we made that nice move to the upside, we had a break right here, a break right here, and a break right here. These red candles in the middle of that nice green upstream. Well, if we go ahead and take this lowest one here, box it off, and take a look at this support level, we can see that is exactly where we're holding support right now. So again, this $2.25, $2.20 level is going to be very, very important. Otherwise, we lose it down to the $2.10 level. But the exciting news is yesterday we lost hardly any percentage as far as price goes. We bounced nicely off the 30 exponential moving average on the daily. Our candle bodies closed at the same at the bottom of them for the last 3 consecutive days. Yes, we had some wicks to the downside. Now we have a green candle kicking off this new daily candle that literally just started right now, 23 hours, 52 minutes at the time of recording. The one thing I don't like is this reset of our short-term momentum wave here on the daily. You can see last time we lost it, it bounced down, but it recovered nice. So we'll watch this 50 level, which is where it bounced from last time. After we lost that and it did reset to 0, you can see that's when we had the sell-off. So what we're looking for is to keep support here, $2.27. If we lose that, we got $2.10 that we cannot lose. Otherwise, we get back into these $2 levels. XRP is performing stronger than most coins. If we take a look, for example, at Bitcoin, it's had 3 consecutive gnarly drops. Bitcoin did fall right into our support level here, which it did test before on the daily on November 26th. Again, after it broke out for 100 grand on December 5th, nearly tested here on December 30th, but it did officially test that level January 9th. If we look at this here on the 12-hour time frame, we could extend this box for a very more aggressive support level, which right now the support level is right here. And that's the top $91,190. We need to see a bounce and recover there. We can see the reset. So this is what I was talking to you guys about. Now this is on the 12 hours. We can see the 12-hour short-term momentum has reset at nearly 0, and we can see the rise back up. Last time we had the same reset, price got back into the same area, and that's when it made its move back up into the $100,000 range again. So looking for a very strong support here, rally back up to the 100K, maintaining support, getting back to previous all-time highs, $108,000. When we take a look at the daily, you can see that there is still more room to the downside. It could also bounce at the 50 level and move back up. Right now, though, we have lost the momentum on the daily for Bitcoin. Doesn't mean it has to have a significant drop in price because we are still bullish on the farther outlook. So these moves are not as extreme to the downside. As we can see historically, when we had this move starting November 23rd to the downside, price traded sideways. When we started moving back up, that's when we got that momentum blast to the 108. Then we traded down back to 91. That was during this reset here. Over the last couple of days, we made our move back to the upside to 100. And now it's coming back to reset. So overall outlook on the weekly time frame, daily time frame, still bullish. once we keep these price levels here, if we lose them, then we could potentially be starting to switch to bearish. Bull run is still on. We will keep you updated. Make sure you subscribe. But speaking of pullbacks, the most important thing during a pullback is having some dry powder or some capital set off to the side so you can unleash it into the markets. Well, a lot of people don't have a side hustle and they don't know where to find extra capital. So we've gone ahead and found something for you guys. Check this out. Hey, bull runners, are you feeling FOMO about this bull run without the right financial support? We're here to change that. We're not just about funding, we're about growing your business together. Whether you're investing in crypto, kicking off a new startup, managing your existing business, or looking to expand, we have personalized funding that meets your exact needs. Imagine starting your business or getting capital to invest $100,000 to $250,000 at 0% interest. That's not a dream, it's what we do. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you with 0% interest funding without needing personal funds, income verification, or collateral. With just a 680 credit score, you qualify. We understand that your business can't wait, so take advantage of our quick funding approach. We look beyond the credit score with inclusive approval process that sees the big picture of your business or investment potential. Our flexible repayments are tailored to match your business cycles, ensuring you can manage repayments without strain. With access to our extensive lending network of over 5,000 options, we're committed to finding the perfect match for your business or investing needs. Plus, you'll have our dedicated team by your side, guiding you through every step of the funding journey. Whether it's buying crypto, hiring new employees, or launching a new product, we're committed to your success. Click the link to connect with our expert advisors and secure your business's future now.